The new school year is a perfect time to start organizing your Google Drive. Fortunately, it can be overwhelming to try to organize all your old files and folders from previous years. The good thing is you don't have to. Here's how. Create a folder called Old Work. You simply click on New and say New Folder and call it Old Work. Now you're going to take all your old files and move them into the Old Work folder. You can grab a folder or grab an old file and drop it. If you want to do a lot at one time, click on the first one, scroll down to the last one, hold the Shift key down. That will select everything in between, and then you can grab the whole list and drop it. So now, once you do that, now everything's in the Old Work folder, and you have a nice clean drive to work with. The good thing is if you do need something, it's still there.